Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. The market is open, and as you can see, the DXY has shown gap up opening. But if we just look at the last 4 to 5 candles, then we can see that after the gap up opening, also DXY looks in indecision mode. So not very clear about the next move of DXY, but yes, we have a gap up opening on the chart of DXY. So let's move to the chart of gold. My dear friends, if you're looking for detailed analysis, please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same things for 10 minutes and bore you. On a chart of gold also, we can see that gold is trading between the range we talked about in the last video. Right now, gold is standing at 1749 here. See, according to my opinion, this is not the right time to initiate any position, whether you're looking for a buy or a sell, because for me, risk to reward ratio plays a big factor. So if you take any position, whether it's a buy or sell, the risk to reward ratio will not be much in your favor. Okay, for me, okay, you should wait for the right time. Overall, you can see that the levels are still very much intact that we talked in our previous videos. For example, the big resistance for this week will be 1785 to 86. The big support in case of a huge fall, 1722.27 will be the big level here. And in case of a nice up move, 1763.50, 1767.50 will also play the role of a resistance. But as of now, as you can see, the market is trading here. So in this market situation, 1760, yes, as there is not much volatility, at least for today, especially during the Asian session and European session, 1760 also may act as resistance considering the present volatility of the market. So during the Asian session or European session, if market goes up also, there's a high chance that market will face some selling pressure around this level and you can look for a sell opportunity. But before 1760, 1750 is too far right now. Before 1760, we also have 1756. Yes, we also have 1756 as the next resistance. This is not, see, this is not a big resistance like 1785 or 63, but considering the present volatility, 1756 also may show some price rejection from above, and you can consider taking a sell if market reverses because of the 200 moving average here. So Asian session, European session, in this situation of the market, okay, 1756 may also act as a minor resistance. So if market goes up, observe the market on 1756. If market reverses, then only take a sell position. Otherwise, if you see the market is going up suddenly, there's a big fall on DXY, and then obviously you need to avoid market around this level. Then you need to watch gold at 1763, and this level is still very much intact. Okay, watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. On the other hand, if market goes down or if market starts falling especially during the Asian session and European session, you can expect the market to bounce from 1744 level because of Fibonacci 50%. So if market bounces from this particular level here, okay, if you see market forming a hammer pattern or any good price rejection from below, you can consider taking a buy position. Do not expect a complete trend reversal. To be on a safer side, try to book your profits after 35 to 40 pips. After all, not all levels have the equal amount of strength. So if market comes and bounces, you can book 35 to 40 pips. Okay, otherwise 1740, okay, 1740 to 1739 is also the next support for market in case gold comes down. Okay, but keep in mind, these levels, okay, these levels that I have just talked are minor support zones. Okay, so from where you can just expect a small bounce. These levels do not have the strength to reverse the market completely. The only big support on the chart of gold is around 1722 to 1727. I'll try to upload a video during the US session both in Hindi and English, because I have been getting many requests for many months that I should consider uploading a video in Hindi. So yes, मैं try करूँगा हिंदी में वीडियो अपलोड करने के लिए यो सेशन के दौरान. And चलिए, this is the volatility going on in the market right now. See, you must understand that volatility plays a big role in the market. Market is slow right now. That's why we can expect that these levels, okay, these minor levels will work in the market right now. So nothing much to do right now. Please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate. Okay, and my dear friends, as you all know, only 3 days left for the Forex Hero Master Class, the world's most affordable Forex Hindi workshop. I conduct the workshop in both Hindi and English. दोनों language में होता है. This workshop is only for those who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months. So my dear friend, if you really love my work, if you really love the analysis that I do in the market, you can consider joining if you are in need. And my dear friends, for your inspiration, I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market and nothing is impossible in life, because I had a hard journey too. And you will get everything on the workshop. Okay, this is the benefits that you'll receive after the workshop. Okay, it's a 3 days workshop for 2 hours. Okay, feel free to check out the link in the description. Bye bye, take care.